Hello everyone, welcome to Sujna Digital Space Studio. Today we have a jam-packed episode for you and UPSC relevant news. So coming to the first article of today, Accelerator Glacier Melting UNESCO Report. A recent UNESCO report is the glaciers have melting globally, have leading to the alarming of the global glaciers melting. In the last 3 years, which is from the 2021 to 25, there were a drastic rise in the global glaciers melting globally. Last 3 years we have seen a highest globally rising glaciers melting with the rising global temperatures and anthropogenic activities, and this being a major contributor. So coming to the second article of today, Japan's commitment to diversity and the decarbonization. Despite global shifts in policy, here Japan is committed to the diversity and the decarbonization here, and a recent survey has told that over 75% of the Japanese films prioritize this initiative driven by SDGs and the corporate ethics. So coming to the third article of today, Christie Coventry elected a first woman in the IOC president. Zimbabwe's Olympian who is Christie Coventry has made a history for being a first woman and the IOC president of the International Olympic Committee. This breakthrough have gone to and marked a significant milestone in the gender discrimination and the representation in the sports governance. So coming to the fourth article of today, cost of PM Modi's foreign trip. So here our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has gone to many foreign trips from the starting of 2022 to 25. This been raising a concerns over this amount which has spent by our PM Modi for the foreign trips here. Over rupees 259 crores have spent by our Prime Minister PM Modi, while here the government have defending the trips were gone through the years of this by PM Modi as critical for the national interest. Critics argue that the expenditure is very high compared to the domestic priorities. So coming to the fifth article of today, Eli Lilly's anti-obesity drug launch in India. So coming to the Eli Lilly, they have launched a anti-obesity drug this year, Mounjaro in India, priced over rupees 14,000 to the 17,500 per month. While this marks a significant effect in our India's pharma sector, concerns around affordability and healthcare priority remains. So coming to the sixth article of today, public perception of Mounjaro. The recent poll have shown that, and the analysis shows that over 60% of the respondents find Mounjaro is a pricey, very too much pricey, highlighting the income inequality and the need for the government subsidies or the generic alternative. So coming to the UPSC relevant on this news, these topics are useful for the UPSC Group 1 preparation, covering the themes such as environment, governance and social justice and the international relations. So thank you everyone, stay ahead and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sujna Digital Space Studio. Thank you for joining us.